Statistically, your relationship isn't going to end because of a massive, explosive affair. It's going to end because you silently starved it to death. Right now, you are probably walking on emotional eggshells. Or worse, you've become glorified roommates who share a Netflix password and a sense of quiet resentment. You think you need a 2-week tropical vacation to fix it. You don't. You're just lazy with your psychological capital. Welcome to the 24-hour reset. If you don't intentionally inject psychological safety into your relationship within the next 24 hours, the distance between you will solidify. And fixing cement is a lot harder than pouring it. Here are 5 brutal, highly effective psychological levers you need to pull today. Number 1. The next time your partner initializes a minor argument about the dishes or the trash, do not defend yourself. Defense triggers the amygdala hijack in their brain. Look them in the eye and say, "You're right, I dropped the ball on that." It completely neutralizes their fight or flight response. It's not submission, it's tactical peace. Number 2. Stop saying, "You look nice." It's generic and cheap. Use specific behavioral validation. Say, "I love how focused you get when you're working on your projects." Your brain craves identity reinforcement. You are reminding them of who they are when they are at their best. Number 3, don't ask, "What do you want to eat?" That requires executive function. Say, "I've narrowed dinner down to 2 places. Pick one." You are literally removing micro-stressors from their nervous system. Number 4, look at your partner for 10 unbroken seconds without speaking or laughing. It triggers an instant spike in oxytocin, forcing your brains to sync back up into co-regulation. It will feel awkward. Do it anyway. Number 5. Stop telling your friends the bad things your partner does. In psychology, the more you speak a narrative, the more your brain seeks confirmation bias to prove it true. Protect the perimeter of your relationship. Listen to me closely. You are not a victim of a fading spark. A spark is a biological chemical reaction, and you are the chemist. If you are sitting around waiting for the feeling to magically return, you are bleeding out your own future. You have the absolute power to change the emotional temperature of your home by changing your output for just one day. Stop measuring what they are giving you. Step into the role of the leader and inject the energy you want to receive. You built this connection once. Your blueprint didn't vanish. Wake up, execute the data, and reclaim the ground you lost. 24 hours is all the clock is giving you. The build starts the second this video ends. When your system finally updates and you see the shift happen tonight, you'll know exactly which frame of mind got you there. Let's get to work. I'll see you in the next frame.